Hello, students. We are going to look real quickly at a little video instruction for our Nearpod activity with the Solving Inequalities lesson today. So when you open this up, when you are going through the activity, it's set to the student paced mode. So you'll go through this at your own pace. You'll go through this as you need. The first page is just going to explain what we're doing here today. And then we've got, as you can see, 7 total slides with a little quiz at the end. So the first thing you're going to do is a quick little game quiz. So you're going to click through here. You're going to solve these questions to climb the mountain. So that's built into the Nearpod activity itself. Then you all have blank copies of these 2 pages of notes. So you are going to copy down these sets of notes and these examples of kind of the basics of solving inequalities and some of those basic rules and where the similarities and the one little set of differences lie with negatives on this side compared to what we know about solving equations. So you've got those sets of blank notes. You're going to use those couple slides to fill them in on your own, so you have your copy. And then you've got a quick video here that's going to give you about 4.5 minutes worth of just kind of basically verbalizing what we saw in those notes. If you want to take any extra notes for yourself, copy down some extra examples, that'd be a great opportunity. And it's a good video there right from the Nearpod resources, and extra little resource so you can kind of see that as it's happening. After that, you're going to head over to a little match activity, match each equation or inequality with its solution. So we've got equations, or excuse me, we've got inequalities, 4 inequalities here. They'll be in different spots for each of you. And then there's 4 different solutions. Your job is to solve these 4 inequalities, match them with their correct answer. Okay, so if we look at one here, I'll subtract the 5 from both sides on top. I have negative 2x is less than 6. Divide both sides by negative 2, that'll flip the sign. And I'm going to end up with that solution. So once you click on one, it's bordered in blue. Then you know that one is selected and you can pick its match. And they will turn blue. And then you've got the rest to match. And then you will, as we mentioned before, finish with a quiz. So you'll click through this. There's a separate slide for each question here. So there's 5 questions, and you're just solving that inequality there that is screenshotted into the top right corner. You'll pick the correct answer, go to the next one. Whether you are correct or not, you'll be able to select your answer and move on. So that is our Nearpod activity. So you'll get a little bit of notes for yourself. You get a couple quick activities and little knowledge checks for us. And that's what we've got for today with the activity. Enjoy it.